Welcome back, my loves. In this video, we are going to be talking about how do you get people coming back for more and more and more and more. So whether we are talking about repeat and referral clients, or we are talking about dating or friendship or community and having this energy that really calls people into more with you, moreness with you. And I'm so excited to share with you what I have learned in my experience of helping people grow multi-million-dollar earning coaching businesses where retention is a major issue that comes up a lot. And also what this looks like in love lives and in helping people rescue relationships, dive more deeply into relationships, get back together, and so on and so forth. And also, hi everyone, it is Pamela, aka the Awakened Aphrodite, and I am here to help you explode your bank account and your love life by teaching you feminine dominance, deep rewiring, everlasting hypnosis, and helping you have the mindset and the beliefs and the embodiment to be the person that we both know that you really are and that you desire to be. If you're ready to work with me one-on-one, I have one spot open right now. Send me a DM on Instagram at the Awakened Aphrodite, and let's talk about what that will look like for you in your unique life and situation. Also, the Queen's Coven Mistress Mind will be launching again in July. So if this is something that you desire to be a part of, also send me a DM on Instagram at the Awakened Aphrodite, and we can get you on the waiting list. So I feel like there are so many things that I want to say about this. And the real truth about having people come back for more and more and more and more is in your own mindset and who and how you are being. Because as long as you have ideas such as, or fears like, will people renew, right? Will people renew with me? Will this person ever want to talk to me again? And the thing I want to say about this is it's normal and human to have these moments of fear or old trauma or so on and so forth come out. And it's how do you teach yourself in these moments, right? How do you move through that? And are you holding on to these fears, or are you releasing them in ways that actually work, right? Are these fears causing you anxiety every single day that then becomes manifested in very real ways? Or are you living in this constant state of anxiety around whether or not people will want to continue being with you, dating you, loving you, renewing with you, if we're talking about business? Because this is the real conversation. It comes down to the quality of life that you're living, right? When people renew with you in business, your quality of life becomes instantly so much better and easier. You no longer have to worry about things. You don't have to market as much, right? People just find you through word of mouth and referrals and so on and so forth. And with dating and love, people introduce you to people, right? It becomes so fucking easy, so easy, so easy, so easy. And so in business, you'll have people telling you things like systems, right? You have to get these certain systems into your business. And I don't want to sit here and in dating, right? People will tell you that you have to be certain ways. And I don't want to sit here and pretend that that isn't true, right? It is true that if you are the kind of person that knows how to be in your magnetism, and if you are the kind of person that knows how to be more playful and relaxed and easeful and desirous, of course, those are strategies that will improve your dating life. And in business, the same is true. And having systems and having support and having a really good front end or back end, all of these things, right, are going to help with this process. And what this all boils down to is actually your mindset. When you have the mindset called, people want to continue renewing with me. People want to continue working with me. People know that I am the best at what I do. People know that I am pure fucking magic. And so they want to continue working with me specifically. Of course, they want to continue being with me or seeing me specifically, of course, because my magic is unique. It is unlike any other, right? When you have this belief system that when people work with you, just because they're working with you and that energetic there, they make more money. They find love way more easily, way faster. Everything is so much easier for them. Then easily and effortlessly, you'll find that people want to say yes to working with you, to being with you, to showing back up. And so this is, of course, mindset. And here's the thing, your mind learns through repetition. And this is a thing I talk about a lot. So just telling yourself this once is not going to do the trick. It really takes this deeper level of embodiment. And this is what I work on with my clients. So you have the option of working with me one-on-one. You have the option of saying yes to the Queen's Coven Mistress Mind. Also, I do work with men one-on-one, by the way. And you can also purchase the Effortless Wealth Hypnosis. That hypnosis is specifically for coaches and entrepreneurs. So I will say that. Or you can purchase Manifest Your Soulmate, which is for everyone. And in that, you'll have the hypnosis audio that you can listen to for a minimum of 30 days. And it will rewire you to have what you desire. Also, you can get How to Train Your Dragon, your dragon. And that entire program, which is a live mistress class recorded, is hypnosis. That entire program is hypnosis. So if you've already bought it, listen to it again and again and again. All of my programs are hypnosis, right? So listen to them, let them seep in, and begin to rearrange your mindset. Because here's the truth. Whether people come back and keep coming back and keep coming back or not is all up to my mindset and your mindset, right? And this is the thing that you get to shift and change, and you get to call in exactly the people that you want. Maybe there are people that you don't want to come back, right? And in that case, great, you've created that as well. What a beautiful thing that you get to celebrate. So my loves, thank you so much for watching. That you get to decide what your mindset is around this. I am here to help you do that. Comment below, what is your current mindset? What are you changing it to? I want to hear from you. And if you're not already following me on Instagram at The Awakened Aphrodite, please do, because I post multiple times a day in most cases, not always. So whether it's day or night, I love you, I love you, I love you. And you get to be chosen again and again and again and again, and up level with people in all areas of your life. Thank you so much for watching.